Hello guys, today I've got the Edifier W280NB Pro and I'm going to show you how to create your own Equalizer preset. So, here as you can see we've got our application. This application is called the Edifier Connect. Here in this application you need to just open here the sound effect section and tap here customized and then these arrows. Here as you can see we've got customized. If you tap this plus right here, you can create, as you can see, new sound effects file and scan QR code. So let me for example here open new sound effects and now we can give it a name. Then we can tap save and as you can see we've got this new file. That's how to create the preset. Here as you can see we've got this gain. We can move it more or less for all the frequencies over here. Here I've got these frequencies and we can select the frequency right here using this slider. So we can for example, okay, 200, I want to set 200 and it's 6. So 200 and now here we've got 200 and we can here manage this 200. Here we have got 1000, 3000 and 6000. Here we've got the Q factor right here. As you can see, we can manage it. And if you are done, you can just tap here this more and you can share it, reset, rename or delete. But if you go back, everything is set. Goodbye.